Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volkswagen CC headlight. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few basic tools, including a T25 Torx bit, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Most importantly, have your new headlight assembly or bulb ready. Always work on a level surface with the engine off for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's get to the core of the task, removing the bumper and headlight. Begin by unscrewing all visible Torx bolts and plastic clips securing the front bumper. There are typically about 10 to 12 fasteners. Gently pry the bumper away from the fender wells using your trim tool. With the bumper removed, you'll easily access the 3 or 4 bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. With the old headlight assembly free, carefully disconnect its electrical connectors. There are usually 2 or 3 main plugs. Now, gently slide the old unit out. Take your new headlight assembly and connect the electrical plugs, making sure they click firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the new assembly into its mounting position, ensuring all tabs and holes align perfectly for a snug fit. The final steps involve reassembly and testing. First, secure your new headlight by reinstalling the 3 or 4 mounting bolts. Next, carefully reattach the front bumper, ensuring all clips and screw holes align perfectly. Reinsert all 10 to 12 Torx bolts and plastic clips to secure it firmly. Finally, turn on your Volkswagen CC and test both the low and high beam headlights to confirm they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.